Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore ADHD from a holistic perspective. If your brain ever feels like it's trying to stream 20 different movies at once, all while juggling a dozen open tabs, you know the feeling of ADHD. It's like running a high-spec machine on spotty hotel Wi-Fi. The potential is there, but the connection keeps dropping. If that resonates, this one's for you. Today we're moving beyond a quick fix. I'm giving you a whole system approach to managing ADHD, a framework that works with your unique brain wiring, not against it. We'll do this without relying on meds. Think of it as a sturdy, 4-rung ladder you can climb at your own pace, one step at a time, to build a foundation for focus and calm. Pillar 1. The biological foundation. Your brain is a high-performance biological device. It needs the right fuel and the right parts to run smoothly. Let's start with the non-negotiables. First up, omega-3s. These are the building blocks for your brain cells. Specifically, EPA, which helps fight inflammation, and DHA, which is crucial for neuronal structure and function. Think of them as upgrading your brain's internal wiring. Next, minerals matter profoundly. Zinc is a key player. It helps regulate dopamine, the neurotransmitter of motivation and focus that's often dysregulated in ADHD. Magnesium is your nervous system's best friend. It helps calm the fight or flight response, easing that feeling of being constantly on edge. And iron, specifically your stored level, ferritin, is a critical cofactor in producing dopamine. Low levels can directly impact attention and energy. Vitamins are just as vital, supporting the complex chemistry of your neurotransmitters. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, acts more like a hormone in the brain and is linked to executive function. Vitamin B2 and Vitamin B6 are essential for converting the amino acids from your food into the neurotransmitters you need to function. Now, what you remove is as important as what you add. Consider reducing potential triggers. This isn't about restriction, it's about investigation. Things like artificial dyes, preservatives, and for some common sensitivities like gluten, and dairy can create inflammation that affects brain function. A temporary elimination can reveal if these are impacting you. Finally, eat protein early and often. It provides the amino acid building blocks for dopamine and norepinephrine, stabilizing your energy and focus throughout the day. Now for a critical extension of our first pillar, the gut-brain axis. Your gut is your second brain. It communicates directly with your main brain, influencing everything from mood to focus. An imbalanced gut microbiome can contribute to brain fog, fatigue, and emotional dysregulation. To support it, focus on 3 things. 1. Feed the good bacteria with prebiotic fiber from foods like onions, garlic, and oats. 2. Add beneficial bacteria with fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, or kimchi. And 3. Protect your gut lining with polyphenols from berries, cocoa, and colorful vegetables. A simple starter plan. Add 1 fermented food to your day. Aim for 2 cups of veggies at lunch and dinner, and swap 1 processed snack for whole foods. Small changes here have a huge downstream effect on your brain. Pillar 2. Lifestyle and environment. Context is king. The ADHD brain doesn't exist in a vacuum. It thrives or struggles based on its surroundings. Your environment is a powerful tool. Get green time. Even a 20-minute walk in a park can have a restorative effect on attention, similar to meditation. It calms the overstimulated mind. Exercise is non-negotiable brain fertilizer. Cardio, like running or cycling, boosts blood flow and stimulates the growth of new neurons. And complex movements, like martial arts, rock climbing, or yoga, are even better. They engage the cerebellum and prefrontal cortex, strengthening the very networks involved in planning and focus. Guard your sleep like it's your most important job, because for the ADHD brain, it is. Set a strict bedtime and wake time, even on weekends, to regulate your circadian rhythm. Dim the lights an hour before bed to signal to your brain it's time to produce melatonin. And expose yourself to bright light first thing in the morning to set your internal clock for the day. This light hygiene is crucial. Pillar 3, brain training and mind-body connection. With a solid foundation, we can start training the software. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, provides practical tools for organization, time blocking, and crucially regulating the intense emotions that often come with ADHD. Mindfulness isn't about emptying your mind. It's about building the attention muscle. Each time you notice your mind has wandered and you gently bring it back, you complete one rep. Start with just 3 minutes a day. Neurofeedback offers a high-tech version of this, giving you real-time feedback on your brainwave activity to help you learn how to shift into a more focused state. You can even use aromatherapy as a sensory nudge. Scents like vetiver can be grounding, cedarwood calming, and rosemary has been linked to improved memory and alertness. Use them to anchor your focus sessions. Pillar 4. The mindset shift, embracing neurodiversity. This might be the most important rung on the ladder. ADHD is not a character flaw or a moral failing. It's a different operating system. Your brain is wired for a different type of environment. Instead of fighting your wiring, learn to play to its strengths. That distractibility becomes hyper-focus when you're passionate about a project. That chaotic mind is a wellspring of creativity, connecting ideas others don't see. That restlessness is a source of incredible energy when channeled. And your journey has given you profound resilience. The key is to put yourself in environments where these traits are superpowers. Think emergency services, entrepreneurship, journalism, creative fields, anywhere that values rapid problem solving and high energy. When you accept your wiring, you kill the shame. Drop the narrative that you are broken and start writing one where you are uniquely capable. So how does this ladder work in action? It's about stacking small, consistent habits. You start with the biological basics, a protein-rich breakfast and your core supplements. Then you layer in a daily walk and a non-negotiable sleep schedule. You add 5 minutes of mindfulness and use a planner for your top 3 tasks, all while consciously reframing your story and designing an environment that helps you win. You don't need perfection, you just need momentum. So pick one small tweak to make this week. I challenge you to pick one gut habit, like adding a fermented food, and one movement habit, like a 20-minute walk after lunch. That's it. Start there. Track what works. Celebrate the small wins and be compassionate with yourself on the days it doesn't happen. This is a process of tuning, not a pass-fail test. Remember, managing ADHD is a systems problem. You have to fuel the hardware, optimize the environment, train the software, and most importantly, honor the user. You are the user. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, or subscribe. If you'd like to continue this conversation, leave a comment or join me in the next video.